Hey everyone, so today I just wanted to do a quick video to show you how easy it is to upload designs into Canvas. So let's go ahead and get started. All you're going to do is find whatever cutting file you like and purchase it, and save the files directly to your computer. Once the file is on your computer, you will then need to unzip and extract the folder to get to the files. On Mac, you can just click the zip file and it should unzip automatically. If you are using a Windows computer, just right-click on the folder and then select Extract. In this folder, there is a DXF file and also an SVG file. Because we are going to upload to the ScanNcut today, I will be using the SVG file. In Canvas Workspace, click on the SVG icon to import your SVG file. Under Import File, click the Choose File button. Browse to where your SVG folder is, select the SVG and then select Choose. Click OK to insert the SVG file, and from here you can resize the image. So it is as easy as that. Simply upload to Canvas and you're ready to go.